In this lesson, we'll continue to learn more phrases that will help you with basic etiquette. Iranian people are very hospitable. They use phrases of gratitude quite often, even though you may not get the chance to use خوش آمدید, which is the phrase for you are welcome during your trip to Iran. There is a very good chance you will hear it, so let's have a closer look at it. In Persian, you are welcome is خوش آمدید. Let's break it down. خوش آمدید. Once more. خوش آمدید. Literally, this means you are welcomed. The word خوش means well, good. خوش. خوش. آمدید means you have come. آمدید. آمدید. All together we have خوش آمدید. خوش آمدید. It means good that you have come or you are welcome. You can also respond to someone who has thanked you by using خواهش میکنم. This means please, but here has the nuance of don't mentioning. Literally, it means I request you not to mention it. خواهش میکنم. Let's break it down. خواهش میکنم. Once more. خواهش میکنم. The first word خواهش means request. خواهش. خواهش. The second word میکنم means I do request. Altogether that's خواهش میکنم. خواهش میکنم. You might sometimes hear قابل ندارد, which means it's nothing. قابل ندارد. Let's break it down. قابل ندارد. Once more. قابل ندارد. This phrase starts with the word قابل, which means value. قابل. قابل. Next we have ندارد, meaning does not have. ندارد. ندارد. Again, the whole phrase is قابل ندارد. قابل ندارد. قابلی نداره is the casual form of the phrase قابل ندارد. قابلی نداره. Once more. قابلی نداره. You can emphasize قابلی نداره by adding هیچ, which means literally nothing. هیچ. هیچ. Remember, خوش آمدید means you are welcome. خواهش میکنم means no problem. قابل ندارد means it's nothing or not at all in a more formal way. The more casual form of that is قابلی نداره. Of the expressions we have seen, please keep in mind that you can use خواهش میکنم and خوش آمدید in any situation, formal or informal, while قابل ندارد tends to be used on more informal occasions, and an even more casual form is قابلی نداره. Okay, to close out this lesson, we would like you to practice what you have just learned. I'll provide you with the English equivalent of the phrase, and you're responsible for shouting it aloud. You have a few seconds before I give you the answer, so good luck. You are welcome. خوش آمدید. خوش آمدید. خوش آمدید. Don't mention it. خواهش میکنم. خواهش میکنم. خواهش میکنم. It's nothing more formal. قابل ندارد. قابل ندارد. قابل ندارد. It's nothing casual. قابلی نداره. قابلی نداره.